Namaskar, good morning, Ram Ram. Welcome to your own channel RK Astro English. And this video is about the weekly horoscope week starting from 22nd March to 28th March 2026. Now, before I go with this weekly horoscope, I decided to put story in every video because I think spreading a Sanatan and the culture of Sanatan, our traditions, our stories of great saints will be helpful to us to transform ourselves, because today's story is all about the transformation, that how only a few words can transform you to a better person or to a godly person or a saint person. Only a few words. That's why whenever I even do the consultations, the most of the time I try to motivate, I try to change your thought process, because I know planets we can't change, the remedies will give you strength, but the inner change will come when you will think about yourself in a way which I am telling you. So today's story is about a great saint, Tulsi Das ji. Do you know how he became Tulsi Das ji? Most of the people maybe know, but I know because so many family members from different countries and different culture, they don't know that how few words transformed him into a Tulsi Das ji, a greatest saint ever. So, what is the story? Actually, there was time when Goswami Tulsidas ji was not saint, but an ordinary man. His childhood name was Ram Bola. From a very young age, he lost the shelter of his parents, leaving his heart feeling empty and insecure deep within. A time passed. He got married to a gentle and wise woman. And Rambola loved his wife deeply, but gradually this love turned into intense attachment. He could not bear to stay away from her even for a moment. One day his wife went to her parents' home, and somehow Rambola managed to get through the day. But as the night fell, his restlessness grew unbearable. In the middle of the night, without thinking, he just decided, no, I have to reach my wife anyhow. He set out in darkness towards in his own in-laws' house, and the night was deep, the path deserted, and the river was in full of flood. That day, that days there were a flood in his village. But the blinded by attachment, Rambola could see none of it. Somehow he reached the house. And when he was going through that flood situation, when he crossed the river to go to meet her wife, he didn't even know that he hold one dead body in that river and cross the river on the, you know, uh, support of that dead body. He don't know anything. He was just blind in that thing. No, that was an attachment in which he not able to see anything. Somehow he reached. Door was closed. He knocked, but in such a night, nobody, answered. Then he noticed something hanging from the wall, thinking it was a rope. I think he think that let me go through this rope to the room of the wife directly. And thinking it was a rope, he grabbed it and climbed up. But reality that it was not a rope; it was a poisonous snake. When he entered his wife's room, she immediately wake up and shocked to see him. She neither became angry nor insulted him. Instead, in a calm voice, she said, You know, you come to my room. How? I don't even imagine that how you came. He said, There was one rope, you see, and then they see that was not rope, that was a snake. And the immediately wife said, You love me so much? He said, Yes, I can't stay without you even for a minute. Then wife said, I don't know from out of what thing she said, or maybe the God was all motivating her to said, if you had the same love for Lord Rama, your life would have been truly fulfilled. And this one line, just struck Rambola's heart like a thunderbolt. In that very moment, his eyes opened. He realized the depth of the attachment and the blindness. He did not even utter a word. Within a second, without wasting time, he left everything behind, everything, wife, house, everything, and chanting Ram, 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 he walked into a new path of the life. And at the moment, Rambola ceased to exist, and a saint was born called Tulsi Das Ji. In that, in the years that followed, he composed the Ramcharitmanas, a sacred text that guided millions of lives. He wrote Hanuman Chalisa, what we recite daily in our life to get the blessings of Hanumanji. He write Hanuman Bahuk when you are in so much health problems. That is also written by Tulsidas ji, Hanuman Bahuk. So the message of the story, when a person turns away from the worldly attachment and moves towards the divine, that is when a life truly transforms. And what this transformation came from, this transformation always came from pain first. Tulsidas ji feel the pain that my wife is away, I want to reach anyhow. Then he reached, and then when he reached here, then again there was a painful words in a calm way that if you have this attachment with Ramji, then the results will be different. Then this pain immediately transformed him. Now the pain of the house of pain and transformation is a single house, eighth house. That's what give a biggest transformation of your life. So my dear family member, if you like this story, and I think listening a story is different thing, and adopting that story in a life. I don't say that you all left your houses and go to the forest. Just remaining in your grest ashram, in your family, you can chant Ram, 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 Ram. This word has so much power. I will tell you a story about this also next time, that how the name of Ram, the word Ram is more bigger than the Ram, Lord Rama. Only one name, Ram. So thank you very much, and thanks to all the family members, because your motivation always tell me to do something different, and that's what I am doing. Now let's go through the festivals of the week. So you must be ready for this. So the fourth Navratra will be on the start of the this week, Sunday, date 22nd March, and Om Devi Kushmandyai Namha. This is a mantra which you can chant. Fifth Navratra, 23rd March. This is Skand Mata Navratra, and you can chant mantra Om Devi Skand Mataye Namha. Then sixth Navratra, this will be like 25th, 23rd, 24th. Om Devi Katyayane Namha. This is a sixth Navratra. You can chant this mantra. Then there will be seventh Navratra. Om Devi Kal Ratre Namha. This is 25th. Then it will be 26th. 8th Navratra. That is a Mahagori Mata. Om Devi Mahagorye Namah. You can chant this mantra. Then the 27th, the 9th Navratra, Ma Siddhidatri. You can chant the mantra Om Devi Siddhidatre Namah. Then the 27th, same day, it will be birthday of Lord Rama, Ram Navami, 27th March 2026. That's why today I told this story about Lord Rama. And truly speaking, this was not my story today. Just before making a video, I have decided 3 other stories at night. I say, okay, when I will make video in the morning, then I will put that story. But I don't know suddenly what happened that I put this story of Tulsidas ji. This shows that I am doing nothing, 0%. Everything somebody is doing from there. Somebody is there who is guiding me, who is doing everything for me. A foolish person like me who don't know the anything, there is someone who is holding my finger, and I am walking by holding his hand. So thank you very much. And so this is a Ram Navami. I think the best day you can start this your Ram Nam Jap, Ram 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 Ram. Yesterday I was watching one vlog on YouTube. That was this is very famous Indian actress Shilpa Shetty, and her husband was also there, and he was telling that how he chant Radha 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 daily 10,000 times. And I was just saying that, oh, we are astrologers, we are spiritual people, what we are doing daily, only videos and the reading and the classes and the consultations. And they are the multimillionaire people, and they know the value of the name. You say Radha Radha Radha, you say Krishna Krishna Krishna, you say Ram Ram Ram, result is same. Result is same. So either people take consultation from me or not, take classes from me or not, but the my main target of the life, whatever life God has given me, that connect more and more people to the that divine God. So this is my request. Daily chant this mantra, Ram 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 Ram, whenever you have time, or let this go by your breath. You're taking breath, Ram Ram Ram. This is going inside. The life will change. This is true. Not only this life, so many life will change. Your past karmas will also burn. Thank you, dear family members. This is what I want to say. Now let's go into the astrology thing, big astro events of the week. So what are the big events? 23rd March, moon will enter the Taurus, and the main theme for this time will be the emotional stability for all the people, because moon will be the exalted at this time, and the money and the comfort focus will be also there. And this is good for food, luxury, and the family time. Individual guidance I will give you, but this is main highlights. 25th March, moon will enter the Gemini. The Gemini is all about the communication. So communication will be at peak, networking, ideas, multitasking, and the mind becomes restless sometime because of so much communication. And now the 26th March, the Venus will enter the Aries. Now this is the big transit of the month. So this is time for bold love and the fast attraction. So Aries is a fiery sign, impulsive sign. So planet like Venus will make you they are motivated towards bold love and fast attraction. Passion will be there more, patience will be less. That's why you can see two arrows. And sudden relationships and impulsive spending will also be shown for some people. And 27th March 2026, when moon will enter on sign, and this is a concluding transit of the week. Emotional sensitivity, high sensitivity, family, home, inner healing, this will be the theme, and the mood swings are possible. Now let's go step by step for all the 12 ascendant, starting from Aries ascendant. So let's start with the first transit, which is on 23rd March 2026. And the first transit will be of the moon. Moon will be in the second house, in the exaltation. Now when the planet like moon is in exaltation, this is a time when he is in house of speech. So your speech will be very emotional at this time. You will spend very good time with your family members, and emotional bondage will be there. You will enjoy some good food, and you feel you are very foodie at this time, because you know moon is a food, second house is a food. So both, when moon will exalt there, then definitely this will be for retreats. This will be for time for eating a sattvic food. So this, and the family members will show full love to you, and you will also show all your emotions for the family. Now the fourth house lord is exalted in the second house, which shows maybe you can go with your family on some small trip, or maybe you are buying a property and you are searching property with family in a car, and maybe you final some property because Navaratri is going on. You said, okay, let's do the registry for the property. You are making some new vehicle, or you are making some new this flat or shop, whatever you want to buy. But yes, this is good time. And then the moon will move to the Gemini on 25th. There will be the Gaj Kesari Yoga in the third house. Again, this shows that, again, the journey with family, because fourth house lord is 12th from itself. It shows journey of mother also. It shows journey with younger siblings also. But those people who are in the sales and marketing, they are going to achieve something very good, because now their speech will be most a wisdomful speech, a gentle speech. And you will be more chatty at this time. In the Gemini sign, if the planet like moon will come, definitely it will make you more chatty and communicative. Your short travels will be very fruitful, and there are short travels. Either you go for some business purpose, or some with family, which looks more visible that you are going with family. Even if you are with family, you will do some 2-3 things related to your business also, like sales meeting or something like this. Now both the planets aspecting the ninth house, which shows that the longer distance travel is also possible for the shorter time. or some religious or spiritual travels also possible. So when the Venus will transit on 26th, that will enter the sign of Aries. Now Aries is some impulsive sign. I have make full video on Venus in Aries, you can see. But the Venus will here make you a good, charming person, personality, attractive person, a person who want to stay in a luxuries, a person who want to stay in a comfortable environment, and people will automatically will attract towards you. You will spend very good time with your spouse and business partners also. Business will also be at rise. And at the second house, Lord is coming to the first house. It shows that everything in your mind is going something regarding investment, something regarding wealth management, and maybe you are spending money on your wife or business partners, or spending money on business to expand the business. But I can see good results in your business at this time. Then 27th, finally the moon will come to on house, on sign. He is the karaka of this house. Now this is the best time for you. After different small journeys, now you are back to the home, spending time with mother and family. Good time at your good domestic environment is there, and you are cherishing a home food made by your mother. And there will be little mood swings also, because when you come back after so much short journeys home, then definitely you have some mood swings also. But although I count this week a very positive week, a very fruitful week, because moon is going to exaltation, moon is going to make Gaj Kesari Yog, moon is going to enter on sign, Venus is also going to the friend sign. So everything is fine this week, but still we need to do some remedies because of the control your impulsive speech during moon in Gemini, because you become more chatty at that time. And practice Mohan Varta for 30 minutes daily. Second, offer a meal to Shivling on Monday for emotional stability, because moon, when very much exalted and on sign, then also has a very great power in itself and give more mood swings at that time. Avoid hasty relationship decisions during a Venus transit, because Venus makes a person impulsive in the Aries sign. When the seventh house Lord, your spouse house Lord, is coming to the Aries sign, so you should not be impulsive while making decision. Okay, these are the remedies for you. Now let's see what is there for the Taurus ascendant family member. For Taurus ascendant, 23rd March, moon will enter the Taurus. Moon will exalt in your Lagna. So, whenever the moon will exalt in Lagna, this is the time when you have a strong mood swings. Mood swings, why moon is exalted? Because moon is exalted in mind, body, your personality. You will be full of emotions. And when person is full of emotion, that is a time of actual mood swings. Because now, moon is controlling you at the fullest power. So this is the time when you show this emotion to your life partner also, because moon is aspecting the seventh house, and the moon is exalted here as a third lord. So when third lord will exalted in the Lagna, you will be doing a full effort, but now these efforts are full of emotions. Now your courage and will is full of emotions. This is efforts and courage of moon. So in that, you can be impulsive sometime, can be restless sometime, but after all, this is the time when your neighbors and your younger siblings are controlling you. They are telling you what to do, not to do, and you are influenced by their sayings. And I think the best time when I see moon in first, I always say, do journeys as more as journeys can you do meditation as more meditation you can do, because this will actually balance the energy of moon for you. And on the 25th March, moon will then enter the Gemini. The Gaj Kesari Yog will be there in the second house. So this is time of making money. This is time of having good time in family business. This is the time when your family will help you in your endeavors. But the third house Lord is 12th from itself. So this is time of maybe your younger siblings or your neighbors are going on journey somewhere, or going abroad somewhere, or on the short journey, or maybe your neighbors are visiting you in your family. So, or your younger siblings are living somewhere, away from you, now visiting you in the family, and you are spending a good time with family here because of the Jupiter moon. The Gajkesari yoga is here, and maybe there is discussion within the family about the inheritance, because Jupiter is also a, yes, 8th house lord here, and the money is going to come for you, that is sure. And because 11th house lord is in the second house, so money is not a problem for you. And some people maybe who are the food vloggers, they can earn something very good, because now the third house, social media house, coming to the house of food, so this is good for the food vloggers. On the 26th March, Venus will enter the Aries. Now this shows your impulsing spending, this shows your sleep is now disturbed little bit, this shows you are spending now on comforts and luxury more, and you are traveling somewhere abroad also, this is also possible. Or you are attending some very luxurious spiritual retreats, this is possible. So there is a detailed video on the Venus in the Aries, I already put 2 days 3 days back, I think. You can see that video for the remedies. And the March 27 moon will enter on sign, that is Cancer sign. Now this is sure that the planet of journey, moon, which moves very quickly, is in the house of short journeys. So this is the good time for you to do the short travels and long travels as well for the shorter period. Now this house is very strong. Maybe this travel is with your younger siblings or with your neighbors. Together you are going somewhere, you have made the plan and now you are going. This is a placement which shows that if you are a travel vlogger, then you can go for a shoot and go for some travel vloggers. What do they go to the mountains, they go to the different places and shoot. Now this is the time when you can go and shoot and put video immediately within this date. Then you see the rise of subscribers for you, people will like your video. Third house is in full power at this time. So I wish you great luck. And what you can do as a remedy, when moon will be exalted, start new financial planning or savings habit, discuss with the family. Then donate white sweets or rice on the Monday, and avoid over attachment or possessiveness in the relationships, because this is the one thing. When I told you the moon debilitated is not such bad condition, but when moon is exalted or in on sign, then moon is very strong and give you a strong attachment and restlessness in your relationship or over attachment. This is what you need to avoid. Wish you a great week ahead, family members. Now let's see what is there for the Gemini family member, what is important for them this week. Now for the Gemini family members, if you see on 23rd March, moon will exalted in 12th house. Now in 12th house, whenever the planet like moon will exalt, with the placement, if I can say the placement of moon, then this will be the um, highly mood swing period from subconscious mind point of view. Sleep will be like, you will be over enthusiast, or you will be like overthinking at this time, and that's why no good sleep for these 2 3 days, because moon is exalted in house of sleep. And for some people this is a time of increased expenditure, because now second house lord is exalted there, and some people smartly may can invest even a, if they have 1 lakh rupees, they can invest 99,000, they can do like this. And for some people, if they have 1 lakh, they can spend 99,000. Two different people, different things, depend on their chart and the natal placements. And this is a time when your family is going abroad, or you are going with family abroad for 2 or 3 days, or for some short trip, you can say. This is the time period when maybe you are earning good in import and exports also, because wealth is now going to the foreign land. So this can also be a case for some people. And the moon's aspect will be on the 6th house, and this is a debilitated aspect. So at work level, maybe due to some work level development, or due to in sometime the work place environment, you have your disturbed sleeps. This also I can see. On the 25th March, the moon will enter the Gemini. Now the Gajkesari yoga in your lagna shows that now everything now starting happening good for you, because the second house lord is now in the first house. This is, yes, you are thinking about now your wealth, about your expenditure, which you have just done 2 3 days back. But the Gajkesari yoga gives you full wisdom. Now you will learn how to use your resources in ultimate way, number one. And number two, this Gajkesari Yoga in the Lagna also tell this is a time for you to read scriptures, to really read religious text, Bhagavad Gita, Ramcharitmanas. This is the time when you have come back from the journey, but still your mind is on journey. Mind is still moving somewhere. And maybe your mind is still moving in that spiritual places which you just visit few days back. And Gajkesari Yoga will give you all the wisdom here. And maybe there is one more short trip regarding your business if you are a businessman, because moon here also aspect the seventh house. So trip with your spouse or business also I can see in this time. And then on the 26th March, Venus will enter to the Aries. Venus is a 12th house lord. So this is a good news for those people who have just, due to some reasons they hospitalized. Now this is end of hospitalization. Venus here say, I will fulfill all your wishes regarding the foreign lands. I will give you income from foreign land. And for the some people, this is expenditure on your friend circle, the luxury expenditure on your friend circle, you are giving treat to them. Fifth house lord is also there. So this is a time period that some family members can get some love relationship within their social circle, because fifth house lord, the love romance is now there, and the planet is Venus. But all you need to know that because Venus is in the Aries sign, so maybe you can get some impulsive boyfriend or girlfriend, or maybe you need to be very careful while you choose one as a final for you, because Venus can make you do here impulsive decisions regarding your love life. So this you need to avoid. And some family members can have fundings from your social circle for your startup. And for the some people, your kids are doing very good, and maybe your kids are becoming a source of your wish fulfillment. So this also we can see from here. And then the moon finally on the 27th March will go to the on sign. This is on sign of moon. This is a time period to earn money. Yes, you can earn money at this time. You can be on the short trip due to your family business, or short trip with family again. This also show that your emotional relationship with your family comes to surface this time, or there can be a little bit mood swings within the family. Or the moon whenever in the second house, it also shows that your income is going to increase, some liquid money is coming. Your something, sometimes we have some payments stuck somewhere, people are not giving money, so now your money you will get back here. I also see sometime I do consultations, and after, because I charge only after consultation, so many time I don't track even the payments, don't even ask Garima ji that payment has come or not. But when morning I wake up or in evening I see some screenshots Garima ji send me, and nowhere out I always forgot about that payment. Oh, from where this payment is coming now. So this is a thing can happen with you. The payment which you already forgot now can come on your way. So wish you best of luck. And the remedies for you people is ground your mind to pranayam, alom vilom daily, and offer water to tulsi plant every morning except Sunday, and avoid overthinking or gossip during a moon transit. So wish you great luck, wish you good week ahead. Now let's move to the Cancer ascendant people. 3rd March, 23rd March, the moon will enter the Taurus and exalted in your 11th house. Now your social visibility will increase here. Now you can go on some short trip with your friend circle. And also, you see your wish fulfillment is very strong here. Now your wishes will be fulfilled. This is the time to spend good time with your elder siblings as well. And your income is also going to increase, maybe with the help of friend circle, or you can do a very good social networking. Maybe you can take a car and meet your 10 12 friends at this time, and you have some business idea and you can discuss your startup idea with them. This is the time period. And the Lagan Lord is here. So Lagan Lord is whenever is in the 11th house. At this time, people has a very strong wishes and strong desire to fulfill wishes. And I hope this is a time when your desires will be fulfilled here with the blessings of God. And now the 25th March, when moon will enter to the Gemini. And when moon will enter Gemini, this is a time that when for the Gemini family member, the Gajkesari Yoga is there in the 12th house. Now, if you are thinking somewhat around your import-export business not doing good, at this time, Lagan Lord is here, your import and export business will do good. You can go abroad for 2-3 days. This can be your business trip or some personal trip, you can say. Gajkesri Yog here say, maybe moon here alone can disturb your sleep, but the Jupiter with moon will, give you more motivation to do meditation before sleep, will motivate you to attend spiritual retreats. And the Jupiter with moon here can increase your expenses. This is true. And these expenses you need to see, you need to check, because Jupiter, whatever planet he will sit with, he expands that thing. And moon here is also aspecting the sixth house along with Jupiter. So Lagan Lord, whenever in the 12th house, and with Jupiter, if you're already in the foreign and looking for a job, or somewhere job you are not getting, now this is the time period when you can get some job in MNC or in some foreign lands. But yes, I can see a travels also. I can see a yoga meditation attraction for you also increased very much at this time. Then 26th March, Venus will come to the 10th house in the fiery sign of Aries. Now the Venus here makes you assure that your salary is going to increase, your designation is going to increase, and this also shows that maybe you you feel more good at workplace rather than at home. Maybe your mother is shaping your business right now. Maybe your mother is promoting, if your mother is working and she is being promoted to some bigger, higher designation, or her salary is increasing, or professionally she can achieve something very good. I can see your personal friend circle or your elder siblings may help you shaping your future, your career, or your profession, or help you in your business as well. 11th house Lord is there. But in spite of getting the salary hike and bonus and everything, you will not be the such satisfied person. So that's what you need to take care. Whenever you talk to your bosses or authorities, you should not be the impulsive at that time, that sir, I was expecting 25%, you just give me 10-12%, this is not enough for me. So you need not to be impulsive in your office with your authorities regarding your salary, bonus, your designation change. That you need to be very polite, you need to be very diplomatic with them. The more you will diplomatic, the more good for you. And then the 27th March, moon will enter the Cancer. Now moon will go to the on sign. The Lagan Lord is a moon, and moon is in the Lagna. So this is a time when you will be in your own thoughts, on thinking process. Maybe you are planning for future, and now even people around you are talking to you something. These 2-3 days you are in your own thoughts, you're in your own world, your mind is somewhere. Maybe you have given interview in some MNC or some foreign country, you are waiting for visa. Your mind is on job right now, your mind will be on journey. So this is a time period of 27th March when Lagan Lord is there, very in strong position, and maybe last 2-3 days you not slept well. Now your sleep pattern will also have a good effect on you. And now the moon is also aspecting the 7th house, which shows a journey for a business, which shows an emotional relation with the life partner, but little bit of emotional up and down, because moon is not very good friend of Saturn, is enemy of Saturn. So when moon will aspect the enemy sign, definitely the emotions with the life partner is not so smoother one which it need to be. But you yourself, your mind is all on the journey. He's just going here and there, thinking so many things. Overthinking you need to avoid at this time, and you need to be more surrendered person rather than the overthinker. And the remedy for you is strong moon. Practice Chandra mantra Om Somai Namah. Om Som Somai Namah. Spend time near water or take a moonlight exposure, because whenever moon is in the Lagna or moon is exalted, so this is the best remedy to do. And avoid emotional overreactions in the family matters, or with the spouse, or with the business partner. Need to control. You can listen to everyone, listen everyone's thought, then you later you give your advice after, not same time you just burst out or you say something in the emotions, because your speech is not good. Still now Ketu is there in the second house. So this is what you need to do. Now let's move to the family members of Leo, what they have. For the Leo ascendant family members, on 23rd March, moon will be in the 10th house in exalted situation. So as we know that sun gives name fame, but my dear family members, moon also give name fame. So this is a time for the name fame of these 2-3 days. You will get a good name fame in your job, in your profession, in your business. This can be a travel period for you also, because moon is a very fast moving planet now, exalted in the profession house, so can send you to the some journey or something. For some people it can be the change of department, change of the job sometime, because now the 12th house lord is exalted here. What we need, only one day for an event, for a sometime 1 hour for an event, you will get a mail from some company, please can you join with us. That's it. So this is a job change time also, department change time also. This is a time of recognition. This is a time and sit with authorities and talk to them. This is a kind time of communication with bosses also. And maybe your bosses are going somewhere on the journey, or you are going with your bosses, because moon is exalted here now. And for some people, maybe your job boss is going to change. This can also happen. So different things can happen for different people according to their natal chart, but moon exalted here are definitely bringing a results, good results for you. On 25th March, moon will enter the Gemini. The Gajkesari yoga is now in the, yes, 11th house. So all your wishes will be fulfilled here. Your salary will increase. Your wishes regarding foreign land, your income regarding foreign land, maybe you already joined in some MNC or some foreign related company or in foreign land. Now it shows that the income from foreign land will come. Or maybe you can see that when I'm changing a job and I'm joining somewhere, so what my friends will say, kindly give us a treat. So this is a time of expenditure on friend circle. Expenditure is come in the social circle, so maybe you are giving treat to them and spending money there, or maybe you are spending money on your elder siblings. But Gaj Kesari Yog makes sure that foreign income comes to you and you spend some good quality time with your elder siblings or with your friend circle. Now, next, the 26th March, Venus will enter to your Bhagyasthan, your fortune house. The Venus will come to here in the Aries. Again, this is a combination for a change of job, because 10th house Lord comes 12th from itself. This is a combination of joining job somewhere else in another country or another in some MNC. This is good for the people who are in the college lecturer, who are in the professors. They are going to have a good results. Those who are in the law field, they are going to get good results. And third house lord is also here. So this is a time when you have not to take impulsive decision regarding your long journey or your higher education. You have to take advice from your father or mentors or guru, because now the communication is coming to the 9th house. So what it say, that you need to listen the communication of your father or a guru. This is a good time period for publishers, for journalists, for sales and marketing people, for the people who are into the franchisee business, commission business. They are going to have good result at this time, but you need to be very careful while you take decisions. Don't take any decision in impulsive state. Ask your father, mentors or guru, take their advice. That will work for you here for sure. And then the 27th March, moon will enter the Cancer on sign. That when moon goes to on sign, this is a good situation, but 12th house is never good for moon. That means these 2-3 days will be the high mood swings time. You will think with your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind will be more operative rather than your mind. Okay, and the expenses will be also on the increase, or maybe you are on some religious journey, some spiritual journey, or maybe you are going abroad, or some maybe this is your travel time, because just we guide you that you are going to change job or joining somewhere else or something like this. So maybe this is your travel time, this is your transit time when you are traveling somewhere. This is also sure. And when you are traveling, you all know that there is no proper sleep either in the train or in the wherever you are going. Sleep is not very good at that time. And the moon's aspect is on 6th house also, which shows job in the foreign land. So this is a time period, maybe some people are traveling due to their job also. So this is a, I think, a change of job time period. This is a change, this is a travel time period, this is a change of bosses time period, and this is time you can spend with your friend circles and with your elder siblings very good. So I wish you a great luck. And for the remedy of the week, do charity of white clothes or a milk, or control your ego clashes in the relationships, because Venus is in the Aries, and especially the relationship with father, which I told you, maybe he's giving you advice and you are just ignoring that. That is not good for you. Meditate before sleep to calm subconscious stress. This is important for you. Now for the Virgo family member, if you see 23rd March 2026, this is a first transit for you when moon is going to exalt. Now the 23rd March, moon will enter the Taurus. Moon will exalt in your ninth house. This is a good time to do the spiritual journeys, the journeys to the religious places. Maybe your father is traveling. This is a good time to sit with mentors, listen to them, have their advice in your life, listen to your guru, listen to your father. This is a good time, and when you will the more inclined towards dharma. Maybe you say, these 2 days I want to read Gita, I want to read Ramcharitmanas, I want to read Ramayana. This is what you can say. But the long journeys I can see here, and these long journeys will be very fruitful for you, because now the wishes house lord is here in the ninth house and exalted. So all your long journeys will help you for your wish fulfillment, and your father will be the key point here to help you and fulfill your wishes. Maybe you're with your friend circles, you are going to some religious place like Amarnath, or maybe like these days not Amarnath, but you can say to Shirdi Sai Baba, Vaishno Devi, Balaji, Khatu Sham. You can go to some religious places with your friend circle. This is a good time period for the dharma related things, and 25th March moon will enter the your workplace, your profession. Now this is a time period when there is a Gajakesari yoga, and the best time period to talk to your bosses about your increments, about your any wishes what you want, because now wish fulfillment has come here, and you will have a very good support from your bosses. They will wholeheartedly support you. They will ask you what we can do for you, please kindly ask, and they will help you in all the way. Maybe you are on the official journey, or for journey for some your job purpose, you can go here. And for the some family members, because Jupiter moon is together here and the Gajakesari yoga is here, there will be the name, fame and appreciation for your wisdom. All the bosses, all the authorities may praise you so much for your work. So good time period and a very positive week ahead. And 26th March, now Venus will come to the 8th house. Venus in the 8th house makes sure that you can earn some unearned income, the income which is not your. But this also makes sure that sometimes the speculative losses, because the wealth is come to the speculative losses house, and the impulsive decision on your part to invest money somewhere, impulsive decision on your part to go in some speculative related business can make you loss here, because the Bhagya Lord is also 12th from itself. So father's health you need to be taken care. And this will be the time even you stuck somewhere very badly in some situation, your ancestrals blessings and your guru's advice will rescue from you there. Whenever we are in the 8th house, 9th house lord, especially in the 8th house, a divine blessings comes and rescue for the some people, this is a time to have some gains from your in-laws. Maybe you have some gains from your, some people can give loan to the in-laws. Okay, you required money, please take this. So Venus in the 8th house say regarding your wealth related income, regarding your wealth management, regarding your income related things, you have to be not to take impulsive decision and not to go for the short term gains. It can cause a problem. Then the further 26th March Venus will 27th March the moon will enter Cancer sign. When moon will enter the Cancer, will in the on sign, on house moon will be here, and now the moon are going to give you all your wish fulfillment, all the gains what you want from your professional life, all the gains what you want with the help of your friend circles, they are about to come to you. And this is a period of wish fulfillment. This is period, maybe you can say, okay, these 2 days 27 28, I will go with my friends somewhere, I will go with my elder sibling somewhere on the short trip and we will enjoy. So all the fun and enjoyment is there for you, including the professional success, including your I can say your fortunes are with you. Everything is going right. The only thing which I warned you, even you have a good salary increment, even you have a bonus, even you have a high salary, the only thing which I warned you not to go into the speculative related things, because of the Ketu in the 12th house, the investment house, and Venus the 9th house lord and the 2nd house lord comes to the this 8th house. So this is what you need to take care, because these days 8th house lord is also in the 6th house, which show the hidden enemies. And yes, during this time period you need to be very careful from the female staff. If you have, if they do you think that female staff is not good to your, they can do politics with you, even you are a male or female, doesn't matter. They can be hidden enemy for you at workplace. This you need to take care. And your own speech should be very diplomatic rather than the over promising. If you will overcommit and over promise and you're not able to do, that can cause a backfire to you. So don't overcommit at this time. For the remedies, write thoughts in the journal to stabilize your Mercury Moon imbalance and feed cows with green grass, and avoid criticizing partner or a friends impulsively. Rather, you just need to praise them. I told you, no, you have to take care, and you have to take support of your diplomatic speech rather than to say anything impulsively. So I wish you a great time here, and let's now move to the Libra ascendant people. For Libra ascendant, 23rd March, Moon will enter the Taurus in the 8th house. The 8th house Moon in the Kalpurish Kundli or the Red Book say this is a debilitated position for Moon. But anyhow, now this exaltation is good or not? Not good, because now the 10th house Lord is exalted here. So maybe due to bosses, maybe due to authorities, maybe due to your business or workplace, you are facing some hurdles, you are facing some issues. Now people are emotionally torturing you and you are thinking of, quitting job or changing your department. Yes, department can change, and for some people they can maybe go to some research department, they can join some AI tech related department. But yes, most of the people can face hurdles here. This is good for the people who want to use others money to start a business. This is others money, and 10th house professional lord is exalted here. Okay, so this is also possible. So at this time you should be very transparent and careful while you talk to your bosses, while you do your work, because any single mistake, or any single, what I can say, the no to the bosses can create problem for you, because Moon is exalted here. So this is like intense deep emotions which are intense inside your heart, and nobody is able to judge that what you are thinking, why you are so much annoyed or worried. This is deep intense emotion time period, and that is due to your professional things. And then this is not very long thing, only 2 days, then the 25th March Moon will enter a Gemini, and this is a Gajikesari Yog period. Maybe if 2-3 days you were not very happy professionally or from your bosses, now this is a change period. Either you are traveling due to your workplace, either your bosses are traveling, or 10th house Lord is 12th from itself, and in Gajikesari Yog it shows you are getting some new job opportunity very successfully, and you are joining maybe abroad or maybe a distance place from the right now where you are working. So Gaj Kesari Yog is good for those people, those who want to change, those who are on the journey, those who are on the law or in the, this professor, lecturer, these kind of things. But the people who are not into these things, they need to be again very careful, because this is change of job and loss of job both. And definitely the change of job is after losing the first job, you join the another job. So strong change I can see here. Then the 26th March, Venus will come to the Aries sign, and the Venus here is a Lagan Lord which is coming here. So although this is very good that Lagan Lord is coming to the 7th house, so maybe your spouse will be very charming at this time, very attractive, and you can spend a good time with them. But again the situation is there is a impulsiveness in your behavior and spouse behavior, maybe due to the interference of in-laws, because now 8th house Lord is also Venus is in the 7th house. So not very good time to spend, because you are about to spend a good time, but suddenly the in-laws interference is creating problem here. Or maybe some extramarital affair, or some friend of old call of old friend has came, and this created doubt within you and your spouse, and now this is creating a problem. 8th house is something hidden, and hidden relationships now come to the 7th house. This also show. I hope that, for the some people, we always say the usage of 8th house is very important. If 8th house Lord is coming here, I already told you in the starting of the week, if you are starting business with others' money, then that will be fruitful for you, because 8th house is others' money coming to the business house, so others' money you can start business. But in the relationship also, if you sit together and talk to each other, and if your life partner is telling you some transformation within you, she want to bring or he want to bring, or you are telling your life partner to bring some changes in her or him, then you must do this very diplomatically, because only the diplomacy can save your relation here. On the 27th March, Moon will enter Cancer. Now this time period, which the week started with all ups and downs, now moon here again is not very stable planet in the on sign, even because this is very fast moving planet. But still, this is a time to sit with the bosses, with the authorities, and speak out your hurt, what you feel. You want to change department or not, you are having a good treatment in the office or not, or something is wrong, or your bosses are not hearing you. This can be happen for some people. Again, the tour and travel due to their office purpose, or maybe this is a tour and travel of your bosses as well. So different result for the different people. But the moon here shows some emotional upheavals or some emotional ups and downs in your workplace, in your profession, or with your authorities. So emotionally, if you talk to them, is a good thing, but don't leave your diplomacy here, because being over emotional is also not good. People can take use of your this emotional thing, because when you're emotional, cry, you can cry, or tears in the eye, or you feel weak, then people take use of your this emotional weakness. So don't let them use your emotional weakness. Okay, so the remedy for you is Venus transit active, so maintain relationship discipline. I already told you, be discipline, be diplomatic with your life partner. Offer a fragrance or a perfume in the temple Friday. Even if you can gift your spouse on the Friday a small perfume bottle, is very good. Avoid luxury overspending. This is a lesson for you. Now the Scorpio ascendant people, if you see moon enters the Taurus, that means moon will exalt in the 7th house. Exaltation of moon is extremely a beautiful placement for you, because now this is the 2-3 days, you can go to some long journey with your business partner or life partner, spending very good time. Your business is going to increase here, your business is going to expand here, your customer base is going to expand here. All the fortune, all the bhagya you will feel in your business. Your father or mentors will guide you in such a way that you will have a good gains in your business. And the moon has a debilitated aspect on the lagna. Only thing is that you are not little mentally satisfied. This is the mental piece is something you missing. But from business point of view, spouse point of view, everything is good, I can see. And 25th March moon will enter a Gemini. Now the Gajikesari yoga is becoming in the 8th house. Now moon here is a 9th house lord, coming 12th from itself. Again the same lesson for you. Gajkesari Yoga is there. That means the health of father you need to take care. But now the father's advice, mentor's advice are bringing transformation in you. The advice, the blessings are came in the transformation house. So if you will listen to them and you are ready to change yourself to the advice of father or guru or mentors, so this is a life changing time for you. And people who are in the astrology, who are in the occult, who are in the research studies, they will do very good. People who are in the banking, auditing, accountancy, they will do very good. There is no problem in their situation. But yes, for the other people, father's health also you need to take care. But you will also get here a sudden divine help. If you feel anything in the problem, and if you feel something is not good, what I should do, and suddenly you get some message, suddenly get some mail, or suddenly you get some advice from your mentors or fathers, and they will help you rescue from this situation. In the 26th March Venus will enter Aries. Now for this, the 7th house lord is coming 12th from itself. 12th house lord is coming there. It clearly shows that something regarding health of spouse you need to take care, because now the 12th house lord and 7th house lord both here. Something regarding the litigation, something regarding the legal obligation with your spouse or business partner, you need to take care. This is the time, if you have some stuck money from your customer and you are not getting back, this is the time when you can get that money. But yes, the controversies with spouse, the this also you need to take care that this is a workplace, and on workplace there is a 7th house lord and 12th house lord. For some people this is a time to join some job abroad, and for some people this is a politics or enmity with some female colleagues at your workplace. Some people this is expenditure on the health related issues of wife, or your on health related issues, which can be, if your health issues, that it can be related to the skin issues or something like this. But if your wife's health issues are concerned, it can be some gynae issues which you are going for the checkup. But the best time, if you're not facing anything, if you're not forcing anything, such thing happens in you in the chart and you are afraid, so don't be afraid. Go to some religious temple or nearby place, do seva there at least for the 1 month daily with spouse. Together you go, do seva, everything will be fine. Then the 27th March, finally moon will come out of the 8th house and now in on place. So this is how your father is getting restore his health back. Now everything is fine. This is the time when you are on some long journeys or spiritual journeys, or you are very much inclined to read shastras or listen some katha, or maybe you say, father, you are okay now. I already told that I already told to God that when my father will be okay and healthy, we will come to like Shirdi or some Khatu Sham or Bhageshwar Dham. Let's go there. So this is a time for the journeys with the father, journeys due to some religious or spiritual purposes. And I hope that this week bring very good results for you, very fruitful results for you. But still you need to do the remedy like do Hanuman Chalisa to balance the emotional turbulence when moon will be in the 8th house, and avoid secrecy in the relationships. Communicate very clearly. This is very important for you and the Libra as well. And reduce the anger and practicing cooling foods like milk, coconut and water. This will be the best. And these days are Navaratri. If you are in a fast, then definitely the coconut water and milk is a good food for you. I wish you a great luck. I wish you best things, all best. Whatever you're thinking in your mind, whatever you have your wishes in your mind, all become fulfilled at this time in this week. I pray for you. Sagittarius people, you see, for the Sagittarius people, 23rd March moon will exalt in the Taurus sign, which is the 6th house. Now in 6th house, when moon will exalt here, this is the time period when when your hidden enemies can try to mentally torture you, try to create problems for you at workplace. But yes, they will be exposed this time because the 8th house lord is exalted here, so they will be in all position to cause a mental torture for you, but later on they will be exposed also. And this is a time when you can feel a very emotional bondage with your colleagues, but out of these 5 6 colleagues, you don't know which is my hidden enemy who is creating problem within your office. Okay, so this is time when you think about this thing, that who is creating problem, who is backbiting me, especially at workplace. You need to be very disciplined regarding your health as well. If this is a female chart, then gynae related issues, you need to be very careful. I can see journeys and unexpected journeys due to your job. Maybe you reached office and boss say, okay, pack your bag. 2 3 days you have to go this place or that place. This also can happen. So the unexpected emotional things can happen. The colleague which you trust very much in your office, that is a person who is creating problem for you in a hidden way, and he is or she is not exposed. So this you need to take care. And the good time for you is charity for the medicines. Go and help in some hospital or some voluntary organization for the people who are health wise not good. And 25th March moon will enter Gemini. Now the Gajkesari yoga is here. This is true, but this is good for the people who are into the manufacturing or all other business and especially connected with the foreign land. But for some people this can be the hurdle within the relationship, hurdle within the business, or some people's in-laws are visiting their place, and due to this they are feeling some emotional turbulence because of the in-laws, because every people have not a good relation with in-laws. So this can be a reason. But the Gajkesari yoga here shows that maybe some unearned money you can get from your business, or you can say sudden changes in your business for 2 3 days. You can say up and down in the business. And for the some people, maybe a person saying, okay, I will put my money in your business, take this funding please. This is also a case because 8th house is an unearned income also. But I can see the suddenness in the relationship with spouse, suddenness in the relationship with partner, and some a suddenness, and that is a emotional suddenness. The thing which is disturbing you emotionally, or maybe your life partner is emotionally disturbed, need to take care of her health also. I already told you. Then Venus comes to the Aries sign. Now Venus on the 26th March when come to the Aries, this is a impulsive sign, this is little bit fiery sign, and Venus is here as a 6th house lord. So when 6th house lord is coming here, this is end of job or change of job for some people. This is a health issues For a life partner, love partner, or your kids, this is disputes or challenges with your love partner due to some money related issues, or dispute with kids even again for the money related things. And if you see, the 11th house lord is in the 5th house. This is a 50% okay, and 50% you need to watch out for 6th house thing only. But the 11th house lord whenever will come to the 5th house, and the planet is a Venus. So you, if you have a breakup with in one relationship, maybe suddenly you get some another relationship from your friend circle, but you need not to be hurry to end the relationship or again enter into some another relationship, because Aries can, you know, Aries can do this thing for you, that you take impulsive decision regarding your kids or in the love life. This you need to take care. People who are already looking for the funding from the friend circle for their startups, you can get very easily, no problem, to get rid of these 6th house related things. The more and more Shri Suktam and Mahamrityunjay mantra if you do, that will be very good for you. Then suddenly on the 27th March, Moon will enter the Cancer sign. Now, Moon will come to the on sign. This is a good, but still, hidden enemies are torturing you. But still, the hidden emotions are creating problem for you. Hurdles are there, but all these hurdles are something created to the emotional level. This is nothing at that level. But the people who are very spiritual, people who are into yoga meditation, into spiritual related things, people who are into the manufacturing, accounting, IT related things, they will not be the very worried person, because whenever 8th house is very strong, they are the people who are going to get very good results. And for some people, this is increase in your interest in occult also. And if you see, remedy for you people is focus on the guru guidance or spiritual reading. Donate yellow plus white items together, balance Jupiter and Moon when there will be the Gajkesari Yoga in 7th house, and avoid distractions in the daily routine. I wish you a great luck ahead, family member. Now, the fellow Capricorns, for you, 23rd March, Moon will enter the Taurus. Now, Moon is a 7th house lord and will exalt in the 5th house. For this is a time period when, maybe maybe with your spouse, maybe with your kids, you are going to some short journey like 2-3 days. This is a time when your spouse is joining your startup, your business. She is helping you there. This is the time when you will feel a strong relationship or strong bonding with your kids or in the love relationship. But not very good time to spend with friend circle or elder siblings. But yes, regarding your second child, first child, and wife, this is a good time to spend. Your creativity will be at peak, and the most of the creativity will be the emotional creativity. On 25th March, Moon will enter the Gemini. Now the 12th, 7th house Lord is coming 12th from itself. The Gajkesari Yoga will form there in the 6th house. People who are in the work, this is a good time to prove yourself on the work, your problem solving abilities, your wisdom you can use. But this is not very good time from the health point of view of your spouse, from relationship point of your spouse. These 2-3 days can be a little disturbed period because 12th from itself. But for some people, if you are into import export business, then this is a good time, and you can able to increase your sale and customer at that time. And 26th March, Venus will enter the Aries. Now Venus here is in the fiery sign, but my dear friend, this is your yoga karaka planet, so everything fine from job and business point of view. And maybe you can do a work from home, a job from home, a business from home, and then definitely you will earn good money. Even if you are in the real estate, you are in the vastu, you are into hospitality management, you are going to rock. And 5th house lord is coming 12th from itself. It shows two things: maybe either your kids are going somewhere for 1 month, 2 months, or maybe the people who are already living without kids, your kids can visit you at this time and you can meet them after a long time. This is a time to buy some property. This is time to buy some commercial property. This is time to buy some luxury vehicles. This can be your focus. But yes, the 4th house is very strong at this time because of 10th house lord is there, so property is on the cards. But this also shows that work from home and business from home can give you good yields. Then 27th March, Moon will enter the Cancer. Moon will come to own house. Now the health issues of life partner will be more stable and good for you. The issues, if any, going between you, the emotional issues, They will be solved, but still there will be emotional up and down between you two. But again, you will sit and talk to each other and you will find some solution. This is a good time period to increase your liquid money. This is a good time period to increase your customer base. But moon here will also show that maybe you can travel due to some business purpose with your business partners, or you can travel with your life partner as well, but better situation than the before, that was on the 25th March. This is a better than that situation. And the moon has a aspect on your lagna also, which shows that you will be some emotional, in some emotional thing due to your business or due to your relationship with your spouse and business partners. And strengthen your moon. Drink water in the silver glass if possible. Spend time with mother or elders. Avoid pessimism or isolation related thing. Try to sit with family. Now let's move to the Aquarius ascendant. If you see the Aquarius ascendant, 23rd March, moon will enter the Taurus. Now this is a good time period when moon will exalt where? In the 4th house. Although moon is also karaka of 4th house, so exaltation of moon here shows that there is something strong emotional bonding between you and your mother. For some people this is a work from home, because 6th house lord we exalt there. For some people this can be the mm, a temporary health issues for you or your for your mother, or your chest related thing. For some people your loan for your car or loan for your house, if you already applied, this will be the speedy process and your loan will be approved here. But yes, I can see work from home also. And in home there will be more of emotional talks and emotional related things rather than other things. And maybe these talks are related to property and some other things regarding domestic environment. And then 25th March, moon will enter Gemini. This will be the Gaj Kesri Yoga in the 5th house. You will use all your intellect, you will use your all your mind and power to create things. The most creative person you will be at this time. The only thing is the 6th house lord in the 5th house show change of job for some people. It shows that some temporary dispute with kids, some temporary dispute with your love life, and this is more of a emotional thing rather than any practical thing. Out of the emotions you misunderstand each other, maybe kids or love life, and you are not talking well with each other. But with friend circle, this is good time to spend with. Moon will have aspect on the 11th house and sitting with the 11th house lord, so emotionally you need to control yourself. And then the 26th March, Venus will enter the Aries sign. Venus here is a 9th house lord and goes to the 3rd house. So Aries, whenever the Venus will come in the 3rd house, your visa related problems will be solved. You are going to get visa at this time. Venus is here, so you will spend some good time with your younger siblings and neighbors, or maybe you are going on a short journeys with them. This is the time when your father, when your mentor and gurus will advise you in such a way that you are going to earn good from their advice. After the advice, for some people this is a sale of property, a sale of car, because 4th house lord is going 12th from itself. For some people this is a time of journey of a mother, or going away for mother for a 1 month or a 2 month. This is a long term journey also, and long journey will be also very good for the sales marketing people, for the journalist people. This is a good time as Venus is there. But impulsive writing or impulsive speaking, you should avoid this thing, especially it should not be the biased one. This I will request you. Then further, 27th March, moon will come to the sign of Cancer. Now moon will come to the 6th house. In 6th house, moon is never a very good planet, but still in on sign it makes it more stronger. So what I told you in the beginning, that your loans are approved now, maybe this is the time when loan is disbursed. Now you get this loan in your account. This is a time when you can go journey due to some job related things. And this is not good time for the discipline and routine. You can feel little bit up and down. 5 days very good, 2 days again you are not going doing to do exercise and gym and yoga, and still you are feeling disturbed. In For moon in the 6th house, yes, it shows journey related to the job, but it also shows that at workplace people will come and talk to you very emotional things. They will tell their hurt out, this thing happened in my family, what should I do? So maybe you are the advisor for that people. Mother's health you need to take care, because 4th house lord is 12th from itself. And now moon is here, moon is also mother in the 6th house. So maybe some short term problems regarding mother health you can face here. So I wish you a great luck ahead, and the remedies what you can do on Shukray Nama 11 times on Friday. Avoid detachment in the relationship, show your emotions well, and do creative activity to channelize your Venus energy at this time. Finally, the concluding sign, the Pisces, 23rd March, Moon will enter the Taurus. Now, Moon is exalted in the third house, which clear cut shows the short journeys are on the card. Journeys with your younger siblings or journeys with your neighbors also you can see. And Moon here exalted as a fifth house lord. Now, your hobbies, your skills, and your everything, your passion are now connected and try to create something very good. For the sales marketing people, this is a touring related thing. For the creative people, this is time for convert your hobby, your passion into some creative, what you can say, creative initiative. And when Moon will exalted here, this is very good for your kids gains. Maybe in your kids salary, there is you can see the increase, or maybe your kids joining some online courses. This I can also see. Maybe you can also join some online course. Then the 25th March, Gaj Kesri Yog will be there in the house of peace of mind. So this is good. The yogas like Gaj Kesri Yoga are really good yogas. There will be the good environment in the your home front. But the fifth house lord is again 12th. Again, I can say if your kids already abroad, they are coming back and they can meet you. Or this is a time when your kids are going to some 2-3 days journey, and very soon they will come back when Moon will come to the Cancer. But Gaj Kesri Yoga at workplace showed that lots of dispute which further going on. Now you used your mind, intellect, and brain to solve your workplace, your home environment related thing, your property, your vehicle related things. Now you are all in a happy mood after this situation. 26th March, Venus will enter the Aries again in the fiery sign, the impulsive sign. Here, the Aries sign, when the Venus will go, it will increase your income, and maybe there can be a sudden income from speculative related things, or sudden income from even the in-laws, you can say. Or you can earn income from the, if you are into the franchisee business, the franchisee which is connected with the foreign land, or if you are into the sales marketing again, which is the company of foreign, you can earn good money here. Here the in-laws can visit your house, or it can also shows the interference of in-laws in your family or family business related thing. This is a time when your younger siblings are going abroad, your neighbors are going abroad, or maybe this is a time when your speech and communication will work together and bring gains for you. This is a time when you will be very diplomatic with your family members, and you can see good increase in your family business and family income. Then further, the Moon will move on 27th March to the sign of Cancer, the on sign. You will be very creative, the emotionally creative people. Now the mind and subconscious mind balance you need to make here. And when Moon is here, you can be on journey with your kids or with your love life, or maybe your kids are on journey, or maybe this is the best time to do the mantra siddhi, because Moon is here. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the best time period to use Moon here. Otherwise, Moon can make your mind travel here and there all 2-3 days. You are doing nothing, you are just thinking, I am here, then I will do this, then I will do this. Only Moon mind is traveling. Yes, but for emotional creativity, if you want to write something emotional, a story, a song, a poem, then this is a very good time period. So I wish you a great journey, great time ahead, my dear family member. A strong intuition will be there for you. Practice meditation or jap, donate white flowers in the temple, and avoid escapism or laziness due to Moon in the Cancer. Thank you very much, family members. I finally made this video. So many Hindi videos are still pending, and very soon I am coming with a new channel which I will inform you when. But the content is very unique. Yes, that is related to astrology as well. But what content, why I am making different, definitely with the time period of time, I will disclose all the things. But thank you all. Your motivation help me to make new things, to new innovations. Daily I do something new only because of your love and blessing. Keep blessing. Thank you. This week brings lots of good news for you, and everything, health, wealth, whatever you want, you get everything in your life. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Mata Di, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Ma Lakshmi, Jai Guru.